What is the heart sound recorder? It's just that. It records the heart sounds. It's not an EKG. An EKG measures electrical signals to the heart. This measures the heart sounds, which come from the 4 different valves in the heart. There's the mitral, the tricuspid, the atrial, and the pulmonic. Those sounds all have a certain look, and based on your nutritional status, they will start to vary and show different patterns. Those patterns give us insight to nutritional deficiencies in your body. The heart shows deficiencies first. Why? Because it's the most important muscle, because it's always on. So because it shows deficiencies first, the heart sound recorder gives us insight into different patterns of deficiency. Through that, we can help support the body and regain that nutrition and support those nutritional deficiencies through supplementation.